All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is my second Hot Wheels video that I've ever put out. Got this box right here in front of me. It's labeled as it's an N box, N case, 72 car count. But this is the way I found the box when I walked into the local Dollar General. This is the first time I've ever been able to get a hold of a box like this. I have another one that I've just acquired. We'll get into it later on the second video, but I wanted to go ahead. I think some of these cars in here, just looking down in them, may not go with this, but this is the way I found it. I walked in and I seen this, and I was like, finally. But it's been opened, and you'll see right here in just a minute. They have already taken the top layer, and I'm sure any treasure hunts and any special cars, anything like that, is gone. So we're going to take what we can get. Like I say, I have a full unopened case we're going to get into. That'll be my first one of those. But let's go ahead and get these out and see what we got. I'm not sure if these go with this case, if they've been packed back in there. Let me see if I can get the camera adjusted here. Bear with me. This is my first opening. Let's see what we can get. I'm not sure if all these go with this case, but that was smooth. All right, we have a Donut Drifter. We have a 2020 Ram Diesel, or Rebel. We have a custom Ford Maverick. The trucks is the ones I like to collect. I've got several of those, so I'm trying to build the sets of the trucks. That's what I'm into. Like I told you on the other video, I had a bunch of the first edition cars when they came out back in the 90s, and I sold all that stuff. We got a 67 Camaro. We got a Corvette C7 Z06. Now let me look on the back. We've got, these have an A and an N. Well, this is a N case, so one of these belongs with it. The other one, I can't answer that question. That's how I found it. All right, we got a 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby. It's got an A on it also. 70 Dodge Charger RT, A case. Y'all probably know these better than I do. I'm just kind of learning on all this. N case, yes, we got a 19 Ford Ranger Raptor. Just gonna go with it like it is. The other case I get open here on another video. It's a truly sealed, unopened case. Just acquired it today, so I'm not gonna worry about whether they're right or not. All right, that's what that truck looked like. I hadn't took them out. A 19 Chevrolet Trail Boss N case. Surf and Turf, another variation of that. It's in the right case. These were up on the top shelf at the Dollar General. I just reached and grabbed the box and took them for what they was. Paid for them and out the door. Oh, all right. We got a Hudson Hornet. I've got a couple of different ones of those. Don't see in any treasure hunts. If anybody sees something I missed or something special, call me out on it. 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. I'm a truck guy, but I think I'll hang on to that one. Some of these will be giveaway. I'll post them up on eBay. I may do some giveaways on the channel. As I get several build up, we'll give, I don't know, maybe 20 car giveaways or something. We'll come up with something. I'm just getting into the Hot Wheels. Okay, this is a 65 Ford Galaxy. That's pretty neat. Duck and Roll. I ain't even gonna say nothing. We got the, looks like the silver Batmobile. That's pretty neat. What have I got here? Oh, 91 GMC Cyclone. I'd like to have a real one of those. That is nice. In the red, most of them, I've got a black one, I got a blue and silver one somewhere. We got the Roger Dodger, pretty neat car. And this Mustangs, I'm also building a Mustang collection. Here again, going away from the truck theme I said I was. We got a custom 18 Ford Mustang GT N case. We're good. Oh, I see another big sandblaster. I like it. I couldn't tell exactly what it was. I didn't want to pull these out of the case till I done the opening video because that's kind of cheating. We got here, we got another Surf and Turf. We got a 84 Pontiac Firebird, and we got a 2019 Kia Stinger GT. All of them is N cases. We got an M case and an N case, so here again, folks, like I say, I'm just taking for what was in there. Oh, we got another version of the Volvo. I got a red one. Dollar General. That's out of a J case. And we've got a Dreammobile. And we've got an 18 Honda Civic R-Type. That is a really good looking Hot Wheel. It was back into the import stuff back in the early 2000s. Had a Honda Civic with the wing, the DVD system, the whole 9 yards. I like the import stuff. Hey, we got the 70 Dodge Power Wagon, another 52 Hudson Hornet. And I'm sorry, but it has to be one of the ugliest Ford Mustangs I've ever seen. I'll let that go. And the last car in there is another one of the Volvos. Anybody seen those on their Dollar General cars? I haven't till now. Anyway, that's all there is in this box. Short video, like I say. I wish those would have been an unopened box, but this is the first one I got a chance to get my hands on. We got some pretty nice vehicles here. I'm a truck guy, an antique car guy, so we're going to go with that. We're going to keep a few of these. Like I said, some of them will become part of a giveaway. Some of them will be our giveaway on the channel. Some of them I'll just flat out sell on eBay if I can, put them in lots, get rid of them. I won't keep all of these, just some of them. It's kind of neat looking. Alright, we're going to end the video right there. There's no use in stretching it on. You've pretty much seen the gist of this case. We're going to leave it and we'll stick them back in here in this video, and we may open that other one on a separate video. Please stay tuned to the channel for some more Hot Wheels videos. I'm building an antique 68 Chevy C10. Also building an 89 GMC S15. So check those videos out. We do grilling, steaks, hamburgers. Check the channel out, Low 96 HB. It's on YouTube, of course, where this video will be. Y'all have a great day. God bless. See you on the next one.